everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to create your own face swap application using Google Colab like this. And yes, we'll make it publicly accessible. Create Google Colab Notebook. First, open colab.google. Click on Open Colab. Create a new notebook. I name it like faceswap.ipmb. Step 1. Git Clone, the face swap UI. Inside your Colab notebook, go to the content directory and run the Git Clone command to download the face swap UI repository. Step 2. Download the face swap model. Run these commands in a Colab cell. It creates the folder InsightFace uses for models, then downloads the file called inswapper_128.onNX into it. Step 3. Install requirements. Run the provided commands to download and install all the necessary packages. It will take a few seconds. Done. Step 4. Quick patch fix. First, run this command to update faceswapui.py, forcing it to load the model from a local path instead of auto-downloading it. Next, run this command. This fixes case-sensitive errors that can break the UI. Finally, run this command to remove .style open parenthesis height equals 400 close parenthesis from the file by editing it directly. This prevents layout issues. Step 5. Set up Pinggy tunnel. Run the command to install Pinggy. Then run this code block. It will generate a public URL. This is what we'll use to access the app from anywhere. Step 6. Run the face swap UI. Paste the final command and run it. This launches the face swap application and starts the UI. It may take a little time. Just wait for it to finish loading. It is running on localhost 7860. Now I'm opening an incognito window to test the app. Copy the generated URL, paste it into the incognito browser. Click Enter Site. Yeah, the face swap app is live. Click Drop Image here to upload the target image. Then upload the image you want to swap. Click Analyze. You'll see it detected 3 faces. Now click Swap. Yeah, it's working perfectly. You can share this app with your friends anywhere in the world using the Pinggy link, and you'll find the Colab notebook in the YouTube video description. Just open it and build your own face swap app in minutes. Thanks for watching.